a buy trade. Once the candles are too small lining up like this, you don't have to enter a trade. You can simply choose another stocks or currency or indices to trade. So you can see these ones, at least they are a bit bigger, so we can analyze on Netflix. All right, so before that, let me click a buy on Netflix. I'm gonna tell you why I bought on Netflix. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I want to teach you how to analyze on this strategy. It's very simple method. You can see Netflix from this position has been going down with red candles. It has been selling and selling and selling from that position on the yellow to the green position. All right, so why would I suddenly click a buy trade on a signal that has been selling? And how did I know a green candle will appear now like this? How did I know? That's what I want to show you. I just want the trade now. So someone would ask me, how did I know, since it has been red candles from here? Now I just bought and green candles appeared. You saw it now live. I'm recording this live and I just want a trade. So I want to show you how I did that, how we actually analyze on this strategy. So what you do, you need three indicators. It's not so much complicated. You need a moving average. This is the blue line, which is called moving average. And then and also the second thing you need, let me just underline it. You need this indicator, which is this blue line. You need secondly stochastic oscillator. You need RSI. You need OSMA. So let's say 4 indicators. So OSMA shows you the volume of a candle. So the last candle, you can see the volume that it has. So you need those 4 indicators. I'll show you how to set up those indicators in my groups. As you know, I give you videos and I help you to set up the indicators. So how did this guy know? I mean, you should be asking, how did this guy know that small green candle will appear there? So it's not only that, ladies and gentlemen, those who are in the group, they know we always give winning signals. So now let's come to analyzing. You know now that you need 4 indicators. So what's next? You need to, what do you check in order to enter a trade? Okay, this is what you check. First of all, you need to check the blue line. Once these candles are under the blue line, it means that it's a selling pressure. So you need to write that down. Once the candles are under the blue line, which is the moving average, it's a what? It's a selling pressure. All right. So when the blue line moves above the candle, like where? Let me find an example. Hold on. Like here. So here the moving average is above the candles, which is telling you this is a downtrend. And then when it's under, okay, hold on. So when it's under, it's an uptrend. When it's on top, it's a downtrend. So catch that. When the blue candle is under, it's an uptrend. When it's on top, it's a downtrend. So now it's on top currently. So we say this is a downtrend. So because it's a downtrend, we are looking for sales, but I wouldn't sell here. Why? Because I'm using the strategy. Now, what does the strategy say now? You look on the RSI, 30 means it's overbought. Once this green line, you see this green line that is going on here, this is the RSI, and then on 30 it means it's oversold, on 70 is overbought. And then the stochastic here, same thing, below 20 here oversold, stochastic overbought. All right, so now when you analyze, you ask yourself, since Netflix has been oversold too much, now it has been touching 30, there's a possibility for it to reverse back up. And also here, it is oversold. So there's a possibility for it to reverse back up. So you wait for a nice entry for reversal to enter a buy. So that's what you do, ladies and gentlemen. So I would enter a what? A buy signal around these areas, as you can see. But now you need to ensure that when you enter a buy, this green here, it's at least around here, or it has touched the yellow line, then you know it's a right entry. So buys are usually where I'm marking the green lines. It's either it's about here or there. And then if you want to sell, this green line will go up, 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 up. And then when it touches, usually you can see here it touched and then it went down. You see again here it touched and went down. So when it touches this green line, usually we're looking for sales. And then when it touches the green line, you don't only confirm using the RSI, you use the stochastic. Also look at here, when it touched here, what happened? It went down. It touched also here, it went down. It touched and went down. So you confirm, look at here, it touched both these areas. Let me make it clear. Look at here, when the RSI touched here, also the stochastic touched. So we have two signals. And then, so if it touched here, it means there's a possibility of reversal, and indeed it went down on both sides. So that's what you check. That's how you know how to enter on the strategy, ladies and gentlemen. Simple strategy, simple analysis. So so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you analyze. And then on the RSI, when it touches here from below, you enter a sell. All right, if it touches from below, you enter a sell. Let me show you other examples of that in the chart. Hold on, let's check. If we want to check the trades. All right, yeah, so here's another example. It touched here from below the white line. Then it went down, touched here and went down. It also touched again here the white line, and then it went down. So usually when it touches the white line, it goes down. All right, if there is no breakouts. So that's what you look for. That's what you look for. So you don't analyze this strategy using RSI alone. You need to use OSMA, RSI, stochastic, and so forth. I don't want this video to be long. I'm just giving you the summary of how to analyze on this strategy. I'm glad also today all signals were a win. You know, in the group I've sent in the Telegram channel as well. Let's do another signal now, so that you don't say, no, he only got lucky on that one. So I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna enter a buy after this one. You see it's been red candles all along, but I'm gonna enter a buy after this candle. How do I know it's a buy after this candle? You ask me. How does he know it will be a green candle after this one? I'm predicting that after this candle, the candle will be a green candle going up. All right, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying it has been green candles, yes. All right, you can see. I mean, it has been red candles, but I entered a buy on this one. So this is the second one I entered a buy, just to show you that I know what I'm doing on the strategy. If it was someone else, he would be saying, oh, it has been red all along, so how can it be a buy on the next candle? Look at this candle, it's green and it's going up 23 seconds in the trade. So watch this, I'm winning a second signal now, which is likely to be predictable. Boom, I just took profit. How did I know? Because you can see here it's showing that it's going up. You can see here it touched and then it went up. As I told you, that when it touched these areas, usually it goes up. And then so yeah, that's all about, that's just about it, ladies and gentlemen. You can see also here the volume was higher, showing that that green candle which I entered, it's going high. So